Welcome. We're at Franklin Park in Carpenter Village, Cary, North Carolina today. And this is a condominium priced at $675. They go all the way up to $775. And I'm gonna walk you through. It's really cool. It's about 2,300 square feet. It's got a ton of amenities. They got a pool, tennis court, gym, garage spaces, all sorts of cool stuff. And you're in Cary. So we're gonna take you around and kind of show you the space. So that's your front door. You have a coat closet over here and built-in wood shelves. Little foyer area. This is the model. They're all the same floor plan. And this is the model that they're going to be actually showing off during the parade of homes. There's only 9 units left. We're on the 2nd floor right now. So there's 3 in this building, 6 in the other building that's brand new. And they're just kind of getting finished up here. So some of the paintings are still on the floor. Just ignore that. You'll still get a really good idea of how this the space flows. And yeah, we'll go this way and then walk back towards the other side. But this is a nice big open concept living and dining area. And they did a cool job of this accent wall with the trim. So it's a nice modern looking trim. And then they painted it a navy blue color, which I think looks great with the natural wood tone floors and the silver light fixtures that they have throughout the entire space. They also have a gas burning fireplace. So it's a linear fireplace, nice modern look. And all you got to do is flip the switch over here. And gas is not turned on right now, so nobody lives here, but all you would have to do is flip that switch and you would see flames. So there's a lot of natural light in here too. So I got 4 windows over here, and then you have a walkout to your patio on this side. So you kind of walk in and you're in your living area. Then the kitchen and another dining nook. So this is kind of like your breakfast nook. Then you also have a place here for stools to eat in the kitchen as well, if you were just want something easy. Gas range, quartz countertops, kitchen backsplash options. So there are a couple things that you can add. This is a smaller builder, so they have a little bit more flexibility. But you can add certain things, like you can put a black or a white or a blue tile backsplash. I think some of the cabinets you could also mess with, countertops, stuff like that. So a couple of the cosmetic things, you wouldn't be able to move around any walls, but they are flexible if you come in early enough, which I think the new ones, you might still be able to do a couple of those. Not 100% sure on that, I'd have to check, but yeah, some of the design elements you could still pick if you're going into the new building there. So let me show you the outdoor area. Each unit has its own patio like this, and even the first floor also has its own patio, and then there's 3 total floors in each building. Each floor has I think 3 different units, so for a total of 9 units per building. And this is actually the main building here. Your garages are on the other side, so you can pull in and you have your own garage space, and then you also have a storage unit that's outside of your unit, indoor storage unit, so in the hallway. But this is kind of cool, and you can see the walking trails right in front of you. You have a nice giant grass area with a gazebo for the neighborhood. You also have a the pool and the tennis court that I talked about is behind the building. But yeah, it's very quiet. Each of the units has 3 bedrooms, and they're the secondary bedrooms are Jack and Jill. So you got closets in each of the bedrooms with built-in wood shelves. And then your bathroom has white tile, floor to ceiling tile, in the shower. Large single vanity. You have a pocket door over here and then a regular door on the other side, so you can close off both of those doors and have a little more of a private feel in the bedrooms. We got them all open right now so we can walk through. But both bedrooms are the same size closet. You have 3 nice big windows in each of the bedrooms to allow some natural light. And there's also another bathroom out here. So get kind of confused. Yeah, so this is a guest bathroom, right? So you have the bathroom that's attached to both bedrooms that you can only access from the bedrooms. You have this bathroom out here that you can access from the hallway. And you also have another half bathroom on the other side where the office is. But we'll walk on the right side of the condo into the master suite. So coming in here, you close this door, and that's the primary suite here. And this whole area is your suite. So you have your bedroom over here, which is nice, you know, decently sized primary suite. You got windows on 2 of the walls to allow a lot of natural light in here. You have a linen closet with shelves built in, but you also have a huge closet for your clothes tucked away in the back, which is about the size of one of the bedrooms almost. Notice in all the closets they have this custom wood shelving already done for you, which could easily be edited if you wanted to do something a little different. But dual vanities, and they have that quartz countertop that you see in the kitchen. It all flows very consistently. Nice huge standalone tub, nice huge shower, and you have tile along the walls here. So the bathroom's done very well, and then a water closet in the back here. So the suite feels like its own oasis over here on the left side of the condo. They did cut, you know, some space out of the other bedrooms. The office is a little bit smaller, but they made sure that wherever your bedroom is, the owner's suite, you still feel like you have a bunch of space. Honestly, I think the owner's suite and then that living area when you first walk into the condo are kind of what stands out to me as far as the floor plan goes. As you can see, it's very big in here. It lives like a really big ranch home. It's very wide and everything's kind of sectioned off to where it has its own little spot. But if you walk into the front door, like it feels like a big home. I'm kind of looking over here. I'm like, what's down the hallway over here? That's the bedrooms. What's over here? That's the office. And then you have just this big open area. The dining room is placed very well, I think, when you first walk in, because you have that kind of ornate luxury look to the dining room. You know, even if it's a small kind of get together, you have a ton of space in here to host. So I think this is definitely pretty cool. And then the office area here, so they don't count this as a bedroom, but you can close this door over here. I don't think they count it as a bedroom. So yeah, you have a full bathroom with a shower and then a small closet over here. Kind of a coat closet. But yeah, this is like the designated office area. So it does feel like an office. It's a little wider, has a smaller window. And this looks out to, so we're right on top of the main entrance right now. Because the first floor would be the common area when you first walk in. So, yeah, like I said, this is one of 9 of the final remaining homes. So they've been selling for the past couple of years now, and just finally got in here to do a highlight for you guys. This is in Cary, prime location, tons of great amenities. You know, you obviously don't have to worry about lawn work or anything like that. So, and you have a garage for you to pull into your car, and then you have extra space for guests in the front of the building and also in the back of the building too. So if you like the lifestyle of living in a condo where you don't have to worry about any maintenance or anything like that, but you also like the kind of small town vibe of Cary, where you feel very safe and you have walking trails and all that kind of stuff, this is the perfect spot for you. Priced very well, I think. You know, under 700, a little over 700 range, where you get all of this very luxury finishes. They did an awesome job with the finishes in here. And yeah, so if you're interested in moving into something like this, go ahead and hit my website below and hit the contact now button, fill out your information, and I'll be in touch shortly. See you in the next video.